The Karnataka High Court has reserved its decision on the bail petitions filed by Kannada actor Darshan Thogudeepa, Pavitra Gowda, and other co-accused in the Renuka Swamy murder case. The court extended Darshan's interim bail without specifying a date for the next hearing. During the hearing, public prosecutor Prasanna Kumar argued that Darshan had delayed surgery for his back pain despite being granted bail on medical grounds and questioned why he could not receive physiotherapy in jail. He also emphasized Darshan's involvement in the murder, claiming that Darshan and the co-accused had assaulted Renuka Swamy, leading to his death. The prosecution presented technical evidence, including CCTV footage and witness statements, to strengthen its case. On the defense side, senior advocate C.V. Nagesh argued that there were delays in the post-mortem and issues with the investigation, suggesting there was no evidence linking Darshan to the murder. He also requested an extension of Darshan's interim bail for his health reasons, noting that Darshan was still undergoing treatment. The court had initially set Darshan's interim bail to end tomorrow but has now extended it until the next order.